Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Belkin Screenforce screen protector for the iPhone 12 mini. This screen protector includes antimicrobial technology built into the glass, which prevents the growth of bacteria on the surface. In these days of coronavirus, it's something that's very nice to have. According to Belkin, the glass features an ultra-tough top layer that provides scratch protection from things like keys, coins, or other metal items that you may have in your pockets. Inside the box there are some very nice clear diagrams on the inside cover showing you how to install the screen protector. There's also a dust removal sticker, a Belkin branded microfiber cloth, and a warranty booklet. Belkin give you a lifetime warranty in Europe and America, or a 2-year warranty in the rest of the world. Before installing the screen protector, it's important to have the screen as clean and as dust free as possible, so I'm giving it a good wipe with the included microfiber cloth to remove any dirt or fingerprints. Next, to remove any surface dust, I'm using the included dust removal sticker to lightly tap the surface of the glass. The sticker adheres to any dust particles but doesn't leave any residue on the screen itself. Once the phone is completely clean, it's time to install the protector using the included applicator tray. Peel up the plastic tab from the bottom and rotate the screen protector back. Then remove the plastic insert and put the iPhone in its place. After putting the phone into the tray, I noticed fingerprints had got onto the screen again, so I gave the screen another wipe with the microfiber cloth. Then you can peel off the film on the underside of the screen protector. Before I lay the screen protector down, I just gave it a quick blast with a rocket blower to make sure that it was completely free of dust. Then just rotate the screen protector down, making sure that the line on the pull tab is exactly centered on the green indicator at the bottom of the tray. The green line on the pull tab should be exactly in line with the white line on the tray, between the two arrows. Then press it down firmly and peel up the top film. As you can see, I ended up with one big air bubble right in the middle of the screen, so I had to work that out using the microfiber cloth, stroking it outwards towards the edge of the screen. It took a few minutes to get the bubble out completely just because it was so big, but after that the finish was basically perfect. There's a cutout at the top for the notch with the front facing camera and the earphone, and it's about 1mm shy of the edge of the glass, so it's not going to interfere with any cases you might be using. The screen protector has the same glossy finish as the original iPhone screen, and there's no difference to image clarity or colour. It also feels very nice to the touch, and it doesn't affect the touch sensitivity of the screen. Once it's installed, after a few minutes you don't even notice it's there anymore. It's basically invisible, which is exactly how a screen protector should be. So that's the Belkin Screenforce tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 mini. It's easy to install and it's highly recommended. This one cost me about €23, so it's a little more expensive than the cheaper screen protectors on the market, but I think when you're spending up to €1,000 on a device, it's worth spending a little extra for peace of mind and to ensure that it's properly protected. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.